All right, now we're going to learn the 1 octave C major, and instead of starting here, that's actually going to be our last note. We're going to start from this low C, 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, so let's go over what notes are going to be in what finger. First, we're going to use our 3rd finger for the 3rd fret of the 5th string for C. I'm going to pluck that with our thumb. Okay? The 5th and the 4th string notes we're going to pluck with our thumb. And then the 3rd string, when we get to that, we're going to pluck with I. And the 2nd string, we're going to pluck with M. Okay? So, first we have C, 3rd fret. Then after that, we're going to go to open D, my thumb still. E is 2nd fret with my middle finger, finger 2. And then 3rd fret, right above that, right next to that is F. Remember how E and F are right next to each other. Open G, I'm going to use my I finger to pluck that. The A, which was the 2nd note of the G. Then open B, and I'm using my middle finger now for that. And then C. Okay? And back to open B. A on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Open G. Thumb's going to take it back over because we're going to be back on 4th string now, 3rd fret for F, E, open D, and then C. So we only have one note on that 5th string, and then we immediately go to 4th, then 3rd, then 2nd, and we only have 2 notes, B and C. 3rd string only has G and A. 4th string has 3 notes, open for D, E for the 2nd, F right there for 3rd. Now you might have also noticed that if it's a fret 3, it's finger 3. If it's a fret 2, finger 2, and a fret 1, finger 1. That idea works for this scale, okay? Because we're not going to the first 3 right there of the first 2 strings, okay?